here for Papertrey Ink. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm so glad you're joining me. I have a fun project to share with you. We're going to be using a stamp set called Scribbled Balloons. I love the present. Well, I love all the balloons in here and the scribbles. But today we're going to be using the present for our card. We're going to make a birthday card. I'm going to use the coordinating dies to cut out my birthday present. And we're also going to be bringing in a bow from this. This is the Wrap It Ribbons die set. It creates 3 different bows. And today I'm going to take one of those bows and put it on our card. So let's start off by doing a little bit of stamping and die cutting. We're going to take the present here and our birthday greeting. I'm going to start by taking the present. I'm going to stamp it 6 times on my white cardstock here. 3 of them I need whole, but the other 3 I don't need to be whole because we're going to just use the middle. So we have 6 presents. I'm going to use Hawaiian Shores, and we're going to ink up the bow part of our ribbon. And I'm going to stamp this here. Lovely. Next, I'm going to take my Hibiscus burst, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to stamp the ribbon here. I'm going to use my summer sunrise, and we're going to do the same thing to our last present. Wonderful. Now while we're stamping, I'm going to bring in some white cardstock, and I'm going to stamp the greeting that says happy birthday. Wonderful. Okay, we're going to take the coordinating dies, and I'm going to die cut out the present ribbon here. We're going to die cut out each of the presents, and then I'm also going to die cut out my happy birthday. I have everything die cut out, and I already layered my ribbon on my presents. I put foam tape behind here. We're just going to remove the release paper. And then we're going to place it right over the existing ribbon on our scribble presents, and then we have some dimension here. We're going to put these to the side and work on our background. Next, we're going to create our bow with our Wrap It Ribbons die set. And so we're going to die cut out the 4 pieces that go with our ribbon. And then we're also going to take this piece that will die cut out the ribbon also. I'm going to cut this out twice, and I will be right back. My ribbons are die cut. I'm going to use my orange Zest ink and my blending tool, and we are going to color in our bow here. Okay, we're going to layer our bow together. I'm going to start by taking this piece. We're going to put some foam tape behind here. And we're going to layer it right on top. And then I'm going to use my glue for this next layer. And we're going to go ahead and layer this right on top. And then I'm going to add a little dot of glue here, and then we're going to place this right on top, and our bow is done. It's going to go lovely on our ribbon. Okay, we're going to do a little bit more die cutting for our background. I'm going to take the cover plate jumbo dots and create a background panel with this. And I'm going to adhere this to a piece of Hawaiian Shores cardstock. We're going to layer it right over the top. And then I'm going to place this on top of an A2 size card base. Okay, so we have this on an A2 size card base. We're going to put this to the side. I'm going to bring in my border bling dies. This is the Skinny Star frames, and I want to create a frame with white cardstock using this middle. So here we have our middle frame. Now I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to add some adhesive behind here. And what we're going to do is take some thin strips of Hibiscus burst cardstock, and I'm going to place them over the stars, just using my tape runner. And then I'm going to adhere this to the front of some summer sunrise cardstock. Let's add some more adhesive here. I'm going to tap this down. We're going to place this on our card base right in the center. I'm going to take my Wrap It. Next I'm going to take my ribbon, and we're going to attach this right across the edge here. So we have lots of layers. Then I'm going to add some adhesive right here, and we're going to attach our bow. So we're going to flip over our presents. We're going to put some foam tape behind here. And then we have our happy birthday greeting. I'm going to add some adhesive behind here, and we're going to layer these right in the center, overlapping our gifts here. For finishing touches, I'm going to bring in some Moonshine sequins, and we're going to add a little bit of sparkle or confetti in our background. And that will finish off my card today. A fun birthday card. It's not too bulky. I thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous day, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.